In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable vigilant mode for unsigned commits on GitHub. This is an essential step to ensure the security and authenticity of your code contributions. Let's dive right in and make your GitHub account even more secure. First things first, you'll need to log into your GitHub account and navigate to the GitHub dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see an icon that represents your profile. Go ahead and click on that icon. This action will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. In the drop-down, you're going to look for the Settings option. It might be located towards the bottom of the list, so if you don't spot it immediately, don't worry. Just keep scrolling down until you find it. Click on Settings, and you'll be taken to a new page that allows you to customize various aspects of your account. On the left-hand side of this page, you'll see a menu with several categories. Make sure to click on SSH and GPG keys. This section is crucial because it deals with your verification keys, both for secure login and for adding a layer of trust to your commits. So let's ensure you're in the right place by checking that you're under the SSH and GPG keys category. Now, let's move on to enabling vigilant mode. This feature will flag any unsigned commits as unverified, which is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your contributions. Look for a feature called Vigilant Mode while you are still within the SSH and GPG keys section. Once you've found it, there'll be a checkbox next to an option that reads Flag Unsigned Commits as Unverified. What you're going to do here is go ahead and check this box. By doing so, you'll be setting your account to flag any commit attributed to you that hasn't been signed with your GPG or SMIME key. This essentially means any commit that could potentially be insecure or unauthenticated will be flagged for your awareness. It's a proactive step to ensure that your commits have that extra layer of security and authenticity. And that's it. You've successfully enabled vigilant mode on GitHub. Not only have you fortified your account against unsigned commits, but you've also taken a significant step in maintaining the security of your open source projects. With this new setup, you'll have that extra peace of mind knowing that all your work is verified and secure. Thank you for following along, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials like this in the future.